Welcome to WTM.Cars YouTube channel. WTM.Cars. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
The 2026 Kia Optima. The 2026 Kia Optima has officially arrived, poised to revolutionize the mid-size sedan market. With its sleek design, state-of-the-art technology, and efficient performance, the Optima is set to deliver a driving experience that balances sophistication, comfort, and affordability. Exterior, a bold and modern statement. The 2026 Optima boasts an eye-catching design that exudes elegance and sportiness. Signature tiger nose grille, redesigned with a wider, more aggressive stance. LED light bar, a continuous rear light bar adds a futuristic touch to the sedan's sleek profile. Aerodynamic efficiency, sculpted body lines and enhanced airflow contribute to improved fuel efficiency. Color options, new metallic shades, including Midnight Sapphire and Crimson Ember, highlight its premium appeal. Interior, comfort meets technology. The cabin of the 2026 Optima is a sanctuary of innovation and luxury. Premium materials, soft touch surfaces, quilted leather seats, and ambient lighting elevate the interior. Digital cockpit, panoramic display. A 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster seamlessly integrates with a 14-inch infotainment touchscreen. AI-driven features, personalized profiles, and intelligent climate control adapt to driver preferences. Spacious design, increased legroom and cargo space make it perfect for families and commuters alike. Performance, power with efficiency. The 2026 Kia Optima offers multiple powertrain options to meet diverse needs. Turbocharged gasoline engine. A 1.6L turbo delivers 180 horsepower with responsive handling. Hybrid and plug-in hybrid, PHEV, improved electric range of up to 40 miles on the PHEV model. All-electric variant. For the first time, the Optima offers an EV version, providing 300 miles of range on a single charge. Drive modes, Eco, Comfort, and Sport modes allow drivers to customize their experience. Safety and driver assistance. Safety is a top priority in the 2026 Optima, with advanced features for peace of mind. Kia DriveWise includes adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and lane keeping assist. Level 2 Plus autonomous driving. Semi-autonomous capabilities for highway driving. Enhanced safety. New collision avoidance systems and 360-degree cameras provide comprehensive protection. Sustainability and innovation. Eco-friendly materials. Recycled and sustainable materials are used throughout the interior. Efficient manufacturing. Kia's commitment to carbon-neutral production extends to the Optima's assembly. Pricing and availability. Starting price. The 2026 Kia Optima starts at $28,000 for the base model, with premium trims reaching $40,000. Release date, expected to hit dealerships by mid-2026. Conclusion. The 2026 Kia Optima brings a fresh perspective to the mid-size sedan segment with its striking design, advanced technology, and versatile performance. Perfect for families, professionals, and eco-conscious drivers, the Optima is more than just a car. It's a statement of modern driving.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.